I'm happy to present and explain in front of you the main features of newly inaugurated e-journal, JODYS. This is digitized version of the journal of Faculty of Disability and Special Education under Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda University, Coimbatore campus, who is known as JODMSE, started his journey in the year of 2010 as a biannual in print version. After successful completion of the 7-volume and 13 issues, JODMSE print version has come up with its new avatar in digital version as per the needs of new age. Yes, we too ready to contribute our contribution towards new India, the digital India. From now onwards, the journal will know as JODYS. JODYS is second e-journal from Vivekananda University, Coimbatore campus. Our first journal is IJOPY, International Journal of Adapted Physical Education and Yoga, published by the Faculty of General and Adapted Physical Education and Yoga, GAPI as known. It is available at www.ijopy.info. Both the e-journal is a monthly peer-reviewed, referred and open access journal to publish research articles. Our aim is to establish a digital platform for exchanging research ideas and bringing out the innovative research methodology in the respective fields. This is a call for our participation to build the digital India, a developed India, under the leadership of our present Honorable Prime Minister, to make nation stronger with the harmony of latest technology and with our traditional wisdom as per the idea of Swami Vivekananda. While creating the website, we have given priority to accessibility. The accessibility of content for different format, platform, and for the differently abled persons. To give priority to accessibility, we have chosen the tool, an open source content management system named WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system based on PHP and MySQL database. WordPress also features integrated link management with creating search engine friendly content, which take very important role to reach more people. Accessibility in web design means creating web pages that everyone can use regardless of hardware, software, or any sensory or physical impairment. Surely, this platform will help us to make our journal fully accessible for the person with or without disability in future more and more. Hope the self-explained menu-based website will give you full comfort as a reader or a contributor regardless any platform. Last, I want to thank Dr. Lokesh Kumar to be part of this journey creating the website for FDMSE journal, and Dr. Srinivas for creating the GAPI's e-journal. Thank you, everybody.